Maraming comment. Tuloy.
There's a pending petition in the Supreme Court that calls for the declaration of unconstitutionality ng ang program appropriations. Ang problema dito, noong 2023, 588 billion pesos of taxpayers' money ang hindi binito ng ating Pangulong Marcos Jr. At ito ay isa sa mga pondo na naging source ng kickbacks. In a recent exchanges sa Senate, kinumpirma no less than Senator Sherwin Gatchalian through his interpellation of Senator Chis Escudero, former SP ng Senate, na mula 2023 hanggang 2024 up to 2025, yan ang pinakamalaking anomalya sa flood control na nangyari. Can you imagine 588 billion hindi man lang binito ng ating Pangulo? This is unconstitutional. Bakit? Ang program appropriations ay walang source of financing. Sa Constitution, required po under Article 7, Section 22